What's up everybody, this is KG. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a product which is a nail clipper that I bought. I don't normally do reviews on products, but I really liked this nail clipper, so I thought why not give a little review for other people who may be looking for a decent quality nail clipper. So here it is. So this is the nail clipper I bought. The brand is called Seki. It is a Japanese brand. And this is the side profile of it. So what I like the most about this clipper is the ease with which it cuts your nails. So I'm going to do a little demo for you and show you how it's done, and then you can decide for yourself if it's good for you as well. So this is the box that the Seki Edge came in. I bought this off Amazon. It was somewhere in between 25 to 30 bucks for this nail clipper, and now I'm going to show you the features of it that I really like. So number one is the ergonomic design that it has. So when you open it up and flip it over, if you look, there's an actual curvy, kind of like an ergonomic design that makes it easy for you to hold it and use it to clip nails. So for me, I really like that. It makes it very easy to use. The second thing I like about it, it has a catcher for the nails. You can see it opens and closes from here. And lastly, it even has a nail file built into it on the top. So once you're done clipping your nails, you can also file your nails as well. And it's a really good buffering file. So once you're done, it's very smooth at the end. So now I'm going to demo actually cutting my nail. So this is my thumbnail that I just clipped using this. So one weird thing it does is that it makes a double clicking noise sometimes, which I'm not sure if it's designed into it or if it's a flaw, I'm not sure. It doesn't really affect when I'm clipping my nails, it still clips it just fine. But you probably heard it while it was clipping, that double click sound while it was cutting my nail. That being said, it was an easy cut. Not much pressure was needed and my nail cut quite easily. I'm going to do another demo on my other thumbnail, just so you can see from an opposite angle. So again, cut it off pretty good. Of course you can cut all your nails like this, but I'm just demoing my two thumbnails just to give you an idea. And then of course after both thumbnails you can buffer them on the nail file over here. Same thing on my other thumbnail. And you can see both my thumbnails are now clipped nice and short and pretty easy. So my final take on these nail clippers is that they are a good buy. They're a solid quality. It is made of a special Japanese stainless steel, strong cutting edge, which you should be able to see from here. And there is a nice curve on this thing. It may be a little too curvy for people with thicker nails, but if you have slimmer nails, this is the best type of curve you could probably get for it. But regardless, it cuts really well. So I would recommend this nail clipper to anybody who's looking for a good quality nail clipper. And hopefully this video helps demonstrate the cutting quality of this particular nail clipper. So if you have any comments, leave them for me below in the comment section. If any of you know why it does that double clicking sound, maybe you can leave that for me so I know what that is all about. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thumbs up if you like this video, and we'll see you guys again next time. Take care. Peace out.